Hey guys, and welcome to another segment of Rowserworld. Today what we're going to be doing is a quick cartoon drawing of Mr. Johnny Depp. So for this exercise we're going to be using a Sharpie marker or an Amazon Basics marker, which is the same thing as a Sharpie. Only thing, in my personal opinion, I like to draw with the Amazon Basic a little bit better because it has longer life. I can get more drawings out of it, and it also holds its point a lot better. So those are two of the good things about this particular marker. So guys, you'll notice here that I'm drawing something, or I'm doing the caricature a little bit different. I'm starting from the inside and I'm building my caricature from the inside out. Notice I started from the nose, which is the center of the face, and then I'm using the power of perspective to tell me how far away I want things to be from that middle point. Now, formerly, I was under the impression that drawing from the outside in was the best way for a beginning caricaturist to learn how to draw a caricature. However, I've also learned here recently, we're always learning things as artists, that each person learns differently. That means that when you see a picture and you want to draw it, not only will certain things stand out to you differently than me if I draw it, but also the picture as you're drawing it will come to you differently. So therefore, I am suggesting that you try both methods and then you see which method works the best for you. So with that being said, I'm not admitting I'm wrong. I'm just admitting that, okay, I may have been wrong. Alright guys, so we're just adding the features once again, just kind of judging from the nose. I'll say, okay, the ear is a little about this far away from the nose, and then I'll draw a little ear on there, and then I'll draw the here I'm going to be drawing the top portion of the head. And just kind of make a breaking line across the front here. Sometimes you don't have to actually draw a line. You can do like a suggestive line, kind of like I did right here. One of the main things with drawing this particular way is you really have to watch the size of your drawing, because it can grow out of control and run off of the paper a lot. Okay, so we're just doing a little hair here, and I'm just once again studying my reference. I think it's coming out quite awesome so far. Just remember, guys, that drawing caricature is about the releasing of the imagination, seeing that person in your own individual way. I want you to clear your mind of what someone may think about your drawing and all that good stuff. Rather focus on the moment. The only way that you can truly elevate as an artist is to learn to be in the moment. Okay, so I'm just going to here add some more little fine features. One thing that I've discovered over the last few months, I'm always learning something new, is that it's the small things in our face that make us look like the individual that we are. I can remember just the other day drawing a live caricature, and when I finished, I turned the picture around, and yes, they liked it. But something about the picture was just a little bit off to me. And you know what I did? I looked at it, and I increased the size of the eyeball just a little bit. And when I turned it back around, the lady said, "I don't know what you did, but now that looks exactly like me." So learn to do the little things correctly is what I'm saying. The little things are what make up the big things. Okay. So we're done with the shading on the drawing. I think it looks pretty super. And now we're going to use our poster marker to do the hair with. A crayon will do if you don't have a poster marker. If you're really young, I don't think your parents would probably want you to have a poster marker to draw all over the walls with. Just use a crayon, that's cool. Okay, so we're just about finishing up. I don't think I really need to explain this. I think watching and doing is the majority of learning. Too much talking wearies the mind. Alright. Now I'm just going to add a little shade line under the chin here. That's my signature thing. And we're going to add some contrast to the jacket here. And we are almost ready to wrap it up, my friend. So, I want to take this time to thank you for watching this video and tutorial and sharing your time with me. You could be doing anything with your time, but you're here with me. And I want you to know I appreciate that. Thank you, my friend. We're going to be posting more videos and tutorials soon. And hey, while I was drawing this, maybe you thought, I'd like to see this person drawn like this. Maybe I want to learn how to draw this person. Well, all you have to do is message us here at the YouTube channel, or just drop me an email. The email is at Rowserworld.com. Just look in the description box below. All the information is there. And then we'll go ahead and take care of you. Also, if you benefited from this video, hey, don't keep it to yourself. Share it with your other friends that like to draw, so you guys can compare drawings. I don't know. So guys, once again, thank you so much for watching, and you guys have a blessed and wonderful evening. I'll be seeing you next time.
Hey guys, I hope that you enjoyed that video tutorial. If you did, don't hesitate guys to go ahead and give us a like. Also guys, don't forget to hit the subscribe button below and the notifications button. This way, when we put up new material, you'll be the first to know. If you have any questions about our markers or pens or paper, and you'd like to know where I get some of the materials that I use here on my art stream, there's a link in the description below, so you can go ahead and check that out as well. And also guys, we'd like to welcome your questions and comments. so that we can get some new ideas. You know, it's always good to have new, fresh ideas for our next and upcoming videos. Oh, and don't forget to check out these 2 super cool videos right here. So guys, thanks again for your love and support of our channel. You guys be safe out there. And as always, guys, I wish you happy cartooning.